All right, guys, I've got a 2010 Santa Fe outside that I'm going to be showing you some symptoms I'm currently experiencing. Keep in mind, I just changed the struts and I'm hearing some weird noise from the right side. I'm going to assume that it's maybe a ball joint or a tie rod, but I'm not too sure, and I don't want to pay a mechanic to do a diagnostic. So I'm going to take a video of what I'm experiencing, and hopefully between you and I, we can come down to a conclusion. And I can only hope that the camera catches the sounds, but it's pretty annoying to say the least. Right now I'm in a standstill. I'm gonna move the steering wheel left and right just to see if I can recreate that sound. Okay. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. It sounds pretty loud from the right side. Okay, so I'm gonna try to roll down into the street. Let's see if I can. Did you hear that? I don't know if you heard that. Again. See if you can hear it when I go down my driveway. I can hear it a little bit, but just not clear enough for it to make a difference. You guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the camera underneath the car and I'm gonna move the steering wheel, and hopefully you can see what part's moving. At this point, I've already found out that it is actually the ball joint, so my suspicions were right, but I just need to pretty much show you what I'm experiencing just visually so you can see exactly what's going on. And for reference, I'm just gonna show you what the other one looks like. Let me turn it. It is basically what a ball joint should look like when it's functioning properly. Thanks for watching that video. I hope it was informative. I also hope I saved you guys a couple $100, because we all know these mechanics out there, they charge a lot. So yeah, as we did, you go for a test drive. Only way to find out what's going on is to put that vehicle in the same exact real world stress as you've been experiencing. If you can't find it, get dirty, get underneath the vehicle, get your eyes in there, see what's going on, and put a camera underneath there, as I did. In my case, it was a ball joint. It could be different for you. It could be a tie rod end. It could be whatever. But the only way to find out is to do extensive, practical diagnostics. But yeah, hope you found that video informative. I'm going to be doing a little bit more of these. Catch you in the next video.